instead of criticizing myself, I ask myself, what can I learn from this? No? How do I move forward with this? Share decision making where appropriate. No? Engage people in adaptive work and reinforces ownership. So, yung clarity of delegation, like anong decision ang pwede nyong ibigay sa inyong mga team members? Diba? Hindi yung magsi-CR lang, may I go out pa sa'yo, diba? Yung mga ganun. So, what decisions are they allowed to do? Alam ba nila yon? You have to communicate clearly what are the limits of their authority. So, we're able to do this. We can create a workplace that's more agile and more psychologically safe. No? So, I want you to reflect on this. Ano yung area sa yung team where your team struggles with agility, and what can you do to immediately increase psychological safety in your team? No? Something for you to consider.